I think the White House is taking way too long to put their arms around this.
Okay.
The videos of people, including officers helping people through the wires and through the walls and what have you, it's an issue now. But the one reason it's an issue is because it's now hit and overrun sanctuary cities. And the Democrats have to be real about that. They have to concede that, and they need to do something about it. The Republicans blew up the bill, and so now they're going to use that Republican denial.
Okay.
You've got to have a humanitarian approach, but you have to think that these are human beings, if you will. You can't separate children from parents and say that's going to be a deterrent. That was a Republican written policy.
Hold on.
No one is saying Mexico isn't and has never been a good partner.
So did President Biden get it right? Yes or no?
Did he get right? What, rescinding those policies?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Your party needs to do something about it. Do something about it.
Your party is in power.
You control the money and the finances to hire more people and to invest in the...
I don't want to point fingers here. All I'm saying is
here's the bottom line. That legislation or bill that Abbott passed in Texas was dead on arrival. That dog will never hunt. It's been the law of the land for decades, and that is that the Immigration Act has sole control and authority over controlling immigration. And so that state law cannot be in conflict with federal law. And so it was going to be overruled, and it's going to be upheld by the circuit. And if it goes to the Supreme Court, it's going to be upheld. Because I understand the Republicans' frustration and their dislike of what Biden's done, his humanitarian policies, and a way for people to have a pathway towards citizenship. At the same time, though, the law is very different. And the law is not compromising on this. You can't have every state having a different view of immigration and negatively impacting the immigration laws, the federal immigration laws that control what happens at the immigration level. Between 2016 and 2020, I know there were illegal immigrants in this country that committed crimes under the Trump administration. So stop blaming the Biden administration.
Oh, sure.